To Sri Radha Vallabh Academy. Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home. Myself Shubha Mathur. Today we are going to start social science. Let's start with political science. Chapter 1, Power Sharing. In this chapter we will discuss on two topics. Number 1 is what is the requirement of power sharing, and number 2 is different forms of power sharing. But before we start on our first topic on requirement of power sharing, we must know what is power sharing. First of all, we discuss what is power and why it is going to be shared. Here power means neither electric power nor horsepower. It is a power which is used to govern a country. As we all know that in our country we don't have monarchy. Monarchy means king have all the power to rule the country. At present, we live in a democratic country where all the power lives in the people and elected government use this power to govern the country. So it is clear power is to govern the country. Now we can discuss why this power should be shared. Because in democratic countries have different types of ethnic groups. Ethnic group means a group of people which have same type of culture, language and similarities of physical type, means look wise they are same. The complex composition of ethnic groups creates tension, conflicts among different groups because their needs, interests are different. So those groups which are in majority wants dominance to govern the country according to their interest. This led conflicts between majority and minority. That is why power sharing is required. Clear? So power sharing is why power sharing is required? Okay, fine. Democracy is designed in such a way that power is shared among different organs of the country. As we have already studied in class 9th, that democratic government has three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature means constitute law, executive follow the laws, and judiciary judge that law is constituted according to the constitution or not by the legislature, and by executive properly followed or not. If there is any dispute, then it is solved by the judiciary. In India, this power which govern the country, this power is also shared among central government, state government and local government. That is called federalism, which we will discuss in the second chapter of political science, that is federalism. Okay, we will come to the present topic chapter. We have very good example of two countries, that is Belgium and Sri Lanka. Both the countries are democratic and have complex ethnic composition of population, and of course that is why they have lots of tension, which we will discuss in this chapter. Let's start with Belgium. See, this is Europe and this is Belgium. It's a small country in Europe, and these are the neighboring countries of Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, Switzerland and Luxembourg. This one is Luxembourg. Okay, fine. France, Germany, Luxembourg and Netherlands are the neighboring countries of Belgium. So Belgium is a small country in Europe and smaller in area than the state of Haryana. So Belgium is a small country in Europe, smaller in area than the state of Haryana. It has border with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. I have already told these are the neighboring countries, and it has a population of little over 1 crore, about half the population of Haryana. तो ये हरियाणा से भी एक छोटा सा राज्य है, देश है, जिसकी जनसंख्या और भी कम है, 1 करोड़ के लगभग है. The ethnic composition of this small country is very complex. इस छोटे से देश का एथनिक कंपोजिशन बहुत जटिल है. what is ethnic composition? See, this is the glossary. Is ethnic means a social division based on shared culture. ethnic means होता है एक ऐसा सामाजिक समूह जिसका समान कल्चर हो. People belonging to the same ethnic group believe in their common descendant because of similarities of physical type or of culture or both. It means people जो लोग एथनिक ग्रुप के ना वो ऐसा विश्वास करते हैं कि उनके पूर्वज समान थे, इसलिए वो फिजिकली अपेरेंस वाइज बिल्कुल एक जैसे लगते हैं. जैसे यू हैव सीन अफ्रीकन लोग कैसे होते हैं, एक जैसे दिखाई देते हैं. यूरोपियन, अमेरिकन, उनका लुक्स, उनका कल्चर सेम है. तो ये एक अलग अलग एथनिक ग्रुप्स हैं. क्लियर? सो एथनिक ग्रुप्स composition of this small country is very complex. See, this is Belgium. You can see this is Belgium, and we have, of course, total population of the Belgium, 59% people live in Flemish region. This is in yellow color. It shows Flemish region speaks Dutch language. ये लोग जो फ्लेमिश लोग हैं वो डच भाषा बोलते हैं और 59% है पूरी टोटल पॉपुलेशन का. अनदर 40% पीपल लिव इन वलोनिया रीजन. इट शोज इन रेड कलर एंड स्पीक फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. रिमेनिंग 1% ऑफ द बेल्जियन स्पीक्स जर्मन. सी, जो रिमेनिंग जो बचे हुए हैं ना 1% लोग वो जर्मन भाषा बोलते हैं. ये लाइन से दिखाए गए हैं. इन द कैपिटल सिटी ब्रुसेल. सी, दिस इज capital city Brussels, which is shows in orange color. It has 80% people speaks French and only 20% speaks Dutch language. The minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. यहाँ पे एक और बड़ी समस्या है कि जो फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग जो रेड कलर से दिख रहा है ना, फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग लोग हैं ये स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, रिच हैं, पावरफुल हैं. बट जो डच स्पीकिंग है जो कि मेजॉरिटी में है, दिस वाज रिसेंटेड बाय द डच स्पीकिंग कम्युनिटी हु गॉट द बेनिफिट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट एंड एजुकेशन मच लेटर. ये जो फ्लेमिश लोग थे ना डच स्पीकिंग, ये इकोनॉमिकली वीक हैं, इनको ज़्यादा बेनिफिट नहीं मिला एजुकेशन का. दिस लेड टेंशन. इसकी वजह से इन लोगों के बीच में टेंशन क्रिएट हो गई. किनके बीच में? बिटवीन द डच स्पीकिंग एंड फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग कम्युनिटीज ड्यूरिंग द 1950 एंड 60. 1950 से 60 के बीच में इन दोनों कम्युनिटीज़ के बीच में टेंशन क्रिएट हो गया. दिस टेंशन बिटवीन द टू कम्युनिटीज़ वाज मोर एक्यूट इन ब्रुसेल्स. सी, जो ब्रुसेल इनकी कैपिटल सिटी है वहाँ पे इससे ज़्यादा टेंशन हो गया. उसका कारण क्या है? ब्रुसेल्स प्रेजेंट ए स्पेशल प्रॉब्लम. ब्रुसेल में एक विशेष समस्या है. द डच स्पीकिंग कम्युनिटी पीपल कॉन्स्टिट्यूटेड ए मेजॉरिटी इन द कंट्री बट अ माइनॉरिटी इन द कैपिटल. सी, जो डच स्पीकिंग लोग थे वो पूरे देश में तो मेजॉरिटी में हैं, लेकिन कैपिटल सिटी में वो माइनॉरिटी में है. ये एक उनके एथनिक कंपोजिशन की कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है. क्लियर? टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट बेल्जियम. आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट बेल्जियम. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट श्रीलंका.